Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Glow Style Hack. Today I am thrilled to share some quick and easy tips to help you nail your school look effortlessly. Whether you're a student or just someone looking for a simple and natural makeup routine, you're in the right place. Now, we all know how hectic mornings can be, especially when rushing to school. That's why I've curated a makeup routine that's not only quick, but also enhances your natural beauty for that effortlessly chic look. Let's kick it off with tip 1. Keep it minimal. A light BB cream or tinted moisturizer is perfect for a fresh and dewy base. It evens out your skin tone without feeling heavy, giving you that "I woke up like this" glow. For tip 2, let's talk about the eyes. Opt for neutral eyeshadows that add a touch of definition without being too dramatic. A quick swipe of mascara will open up your eyes, making them look bright and awake. Tip 3 is all about that youthful flush. A natural-looking blush on the apples of your cheeks will give you that healthy and radiant appearance. It's like a little burst of energy for your face. Moving on to tip 4, let's keep those lips simple and sweet. A tinted lip balm or a nude lipstick is perfect for an effortless and polished finish. It's low maintenance and adds just the right amount of color. There you have it, lovelies. A quick and natural makeup routine that's perfect for school or any day when you want to look put together without spending hours in front of the mirror. Remember, your beauty is unique, and this routine is all about enhancing what you already have. Feel free to adapt it to your own style and let your confidence shine through.